happens to your body when you start boxing? Boxing is a physically demanding and highly technical sport that engages the entire body. When you start boxing, you're not only developing your skills in the ring, but you're also undergoing a profound transformation in your physique and overall health. In this video, we will explore the physical changes and benefits that occur when you begin your boxing journey. 1. Improved cardiovascular health. One of the first noticeable changes when you start boxing is the significant improvement in your cardiovascular health. Boxing involves high-intensity interval training, HIIT, which includes short bursts of intense activity followed by brief rest periods. This type of training increases your heart rate, strengthens your heart muscles, and improves overall endurance. As you consistently practice boxing, you'll experience lower resting heart rate, increased lung capacity, better circulation, reduced risk of heart disease. 2. Enhanced strength and muscle tone. Boxing is a full-body workout that engages various muscle groups, including the legs, core, back, shoulders, and arms. The repetitive movements involved in punching and footwork help to build lean muscle mass and tone your body. Over time, you'll notice increased strength and definition in your muscles. Boxing benefits for muscle development include improved core strength, stronger upper body, better endurance in legs, enhanced overall muscle tone. 3. Increased agility and speed. Boxing requires agility, speed, and precision. When you start boxing, your body will adapt to the demands of the sport, and your agility and speed will improve. This is crucial for performing quick footwork, dodging punches, and counterattacking effectively. Benefits of enhanced agility and speed in boxing include improved coordination, faster reflexes, better balance, enhanced hand-eye coordination. 4. Weight management. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, boxing can be an effective solution. The combination of intense cardio workouts and strength training in boxing helps burn calories and promote weight loss. Moreover, boxing training increases your metabolic rate, leading to greater fat burning even after your workout. 5. Stress reduction. The intense physical activity in boxing is also an excellent way to manage stress. Boxing allows you to release built-up tension and aggression in a controlled and constructive manner. The focus and discipline required in the sport can also contribute to mental and emotional well-being. 6. Improved confidence and self-esteem. As you progress in boxing and witness the positive changes in your body and skill set, your self-confidence and self-esteem are likely to soar. Achieving milestones and gaining a sense of mastery in the sport can boost your self-image and overall confidence. 7. Mental toughness. Boxing is not just about physical strength but mental strength as well. It teaches perseverance, discipline, and the ability to overcome challenges. When you start boxing, you'll develop mental toughness that can be applied to various aspects of your life. Starting boxing is a transformative experience for your body and mind. The combination of cardiovascular health improvement, muscle development, agility, and stress reduction make it a holistic way to boost your physical and mental well-being. As you continue your boxing journey, you'll not only become a skilled fighter but also enjoy the many benefits that come with it, including improved confidence, mental resilience, and a healthier, more toned physique. So if you've ever considered taking up boxing, don't hesitate. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more health and fitness updates.